Welcome back. Now we will see the concept of pip install modules and also how to use that modules. See, there are two types of modules, built-in modules and external modules. Built-in modules are large number of predefined functions as a part of library and it is bundled with Python distribution. Built-in modules, for example, OS module, math module, random module and all. By writing import, you can use this module. But in case of external modules, you have to download it from internet because their versions are continuously changing and updating. For example, Flask, Pandas, like that. Now we will see how to install modules. For that, simply open Windows PowerShell by right click on Windows and type suppose pip install Flask. Started downloading. It's downloading from internet. See what is Flask and all this we see it later. Only important thing is I want to show you how to install modules. It's done. Now I'll type here Python. Here my Python interpreter opens. Now I write here import Flask. Then no error or nothing. But as I write here import pandas, then it will show error because that module will not found. I have not downloaded pandas yet. So pip is package manager which pulls modules for you either inbuilt or from internet. Here I type exit and I am out of Python interpreter. One more thing I want to show you. I'll write again Python and enter in Python interpreter. If I write here import random, then it will not show any error. How? Also we are not downloaded random. Actually, random is inbuilt module. Now I will tell you about import function. When you use import function in your Python program, it searches for the module. I'll show you what are the inbuilt modules in the Python. Here I open my Google Chrome. If I type here built-in modules in Python, so these are the inbuilt modules in Python. So here, suppose I'll take this module, math module. I'll show you how I use this math module in my Python program. Import math. See, as you click on math, then you can see so many functions are there. Math.ceil, math.com, then factorial. So many functions are there. I will use GCD function. So here I'll type print math dot GCD in bracket 2 comma 4. GCD is what? Greatest common divisor. Here I am taking GCD of two numbers 2 and 4. As I will run the program, I'll get the result. See the result 2. So in this way, we can import any modules by the import function. I hope you understand all the concepts like what is Python interpreter, how to download modules, built-in and external modules concept, and how to use that modules. So stay connected. Thank you.